Good morning, students. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav. I am your computer teacher, and from today onwards, I will teach computer to you. Okay. So this is my first video, and today's chapter is chapter 4. Chapter name is Advanced Features of MS Word, and today's topic is using the thesaurus and using the track changes features. The track changes features. Okay, the track changes features. So we start. That is given on your book page number 35 and 36. So we start using the thesaurus. The thesaurus tool in MS Word 2010 allows us to find synonyms of a word. The steps to use this tool or feature are as follows. First, open your document file and locate the word for which you want to find a synonym. Then select it with your mouse. Second, open the review tab and click the thesaurus button in the proofing group. Third, the research task pane will appear to the right side in the word window, listing the synonyms of the selected word. Fourth, however your pointer over the synonym that you wish to use, click the arrow to the right of the word. Then click the insert option. The selected word will be changed with the selected synonym. Okay, students, using the thesaurus feature, you can replace any word by its similar meaning word, that is known as a synonyms of a word. Okay, in English literature, I think in English grammar also you read synonyms of the word. So in computer also, when you type something and you want to replace any word by its a similar meaning word, that is known as a synonym of a word, then you can use the features thesaurus. So I will show you how you can do it. So first you type something. So I have typed something for you from book. I have typed it. Okay, and I want to change some words synonyms. Okay, so I will select the word, which word if I want to change the word begin. Okay, so what you have to first, you select the word, and now you have to click on a review tab. Here is a review tab. Click on that review, and then in that review there is a proofing group. In this group, this is a thesaurus option. You have to click on that thesaurus option, and now here, look here, this is the research task pane. Okay, here is a curve, and if you want to similar meanings, these are the various similar meanings: start, turn, commence. These are the similar meaning of the word begin. Okay, if you want to initiate, instigate, activate, create, which open, if you want to open, or if you want to initiate, then I have to click initiate. Okay, and I want to change, then you have to click initiate. And if you want to insert it, then how you can insert? If I want to click here, if I want to change to begin with start, then you have to click here and click on the insert option. And now look, the begin word will be changed with the start. The begin word will change with the start. Okay, students, so this is the way you can change any. If I want to show you again, soon, here I have typed soon for you. Soon. Okay, the similar meaning of soon is quickly, shortly. If you want to insert quickly, then you have to click insert. Then here look, soon is replaced with the quickly. Okay, this is the thesaurus feature. Okay, so all of you practice it. This way you can insert any similar meaning word, any synonym of a word, using the thesaurus feature. Okay, students, next topic is the track change features. Suppose your friend has written a story in a Word file and sent it to you for review and suggestions. How will you make changes to the story so that your friend can see the changes and has the option to either accept or reject them? The best way is to use the track change feature of the MS Word. Okay, students, if you type something and you want to change some words, some short sentences by either with another sentences or another word, then you can use the track changes feature. So what is the way? Using the track changes features. When we turn the track changes feature on, the changes made to a document become visible alongside the original text. The steps to use this feature are as follows. Open the document which you are reviewing, click on the review tab. In the tracking group, click on the track changes drop down arrow button. From the menu that appears, select the track changes options. The button will become highlighted, indicating that the track changes features has been turned on. Fourth, make the required changes to the document. The changes will be highlighted with the chosen color. Color is a red by default. Okay, so and this way you can accept or reject changes. First I show you how you can track change feature use. Okay, so this is your document. Open the document which you are reviewing and click on the review tab again. So I will show you. Click on the review tab, and in that review tab click on the tracking group. This is the tracking group, and here you have to click on the track changes features. Okay, track changes drop down, click on that, and this option is a track changes. First I show you that is a not highlighted. This is not highlighted. If I enable that track changes feature, then this will be highlighted like that. How you have to click. Now this is will be, if I replace the mouse anywhere here, then this will be highlighted. Okay, so what you have to do now, the button will become highlighted, indicated that the track changes feature has been turned on. Make the required changes to the document. If I want to changes, like here once upon a time, here is a once upon a time. If you want write long ago or anywhere, then that is written with red ink, long ago, or any changes but they soon. Here is a, if you want to write but they, if I want to replace any word. Okay, here I want to change golden egg. Here is a golden egg. If you want to write one golden egg, then you have to write one. Which feature? Replacing this and you. Okay, the changes is made by default. Now accepting or rejecting the changes. How you can accept or reject changes? MS Word allows us to accept or reject changes made to a document all at once or one at a time. Let us learn. Open the review tab and click on the next button. To accept a change, click on the accept drop down arrow button, select accept and move to next option. Third, to reject a change, click on the reject drop down arrow button, select reject and move to next option. In this way the changes will be accepted or rejected one by one. Fourth, to accept all the changes, click on the accept button, drop down arrow, and then select the accept all changes in a document option. To reject all the changes, click on the reject button, drop down arrow, and then select the reject all changes in a document options. Tip: the best way to handle the track change is first reject all the changes in the document that are not required and then accept the remaining changes. Okay, so I will show you how you can change that, accept or reject that changes. So this way, first I have to track the changes, which changes I want here. Okay, track the changes. Now if I want to accept or reject the changes, then what you have to do, open the review tab is open. In the tracking features there is a accept and there is a reject. Okay, if you want to accept, then click here and accept to move next. Accept to move next is the feature. In this way the changes will be accepted. If I want to accept that first change is long ago, okay, if I want to accept, then I have to click here, accept and move to next. So I accept, click here, that will be accepted, and if I want to reject, this but they, if I want to reject, then click, select that, and here you have to reject and move the next. Click that. That will be, do you want to continue searching from the beginning of the document? Okay, so I have rejected. Okay, and if I want to also accept it or reject it, then select this and click here, and if you want to reject, then reject, click on the reject and move to the next. That will be rejected. This way you can accept or reject the changes. If you have any problem, students, then you have to message me. I will show you again. Okay, this way you can accept or track the changes, features of the MS Word 2010. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.